just thought I'd do a little video. Now we've got quite a lot done to the camper. That's the roof light that Alistair put in to start with. We cut out the panel so you can see straight through to the front, which you couldn't do originally. That was all blocked in. We've got the bed, which converts to a settee, which is fantastic. Leisure battery. Water bottle in this cabinet with a pump that comes up to this spout here. Don't need a sink, we've got a collapsible bucket. The back doors still need some insulation. Plenty of cupboard space. The carpet that's gone down just today, which is lovely. Toilet hidden away with pretty fabric. And in here we've got the heater. Heat comes out of there and over here too, powered by diesel. And there you have it, our home from home. Marian, our home from home. Still quite a few bits to be done, like painting the cupboards, a bit more insulation. Sliding door has got to be insulated as well on the side, but basically it's doing well. This is a little van tour now that I've finished the painting and tidied things up a little bit. Cupboards, 2 coats. All ready for the next trip.